everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making jalebi, which is a sweet treat that you can have during fun festivals like Holi and Diwali and Christmas. It's such a delicious sweet treat, and it's simple to make, just a few ingredients that you can actually find at your local grocery. Anyway, before I keep rambling, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's get right into this video. I hope you enjoy and try it out. Just leave me a comment if you tried it out or you have a better recipe for me. I will try it and give you my feedback. Alright guys, enjoy.
1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of water. We're gonna mix that together. Whisk it all around, nice and incorporated. 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, no flavor, just plain. Whisk it in. And here I'm using regular baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk that in also. Let everything get nice and incorporated. This is optional, but I add a few drops of red food coloring. This is optional, you don't have to. Here I am plastic wrapping it, and we'll let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Here we're gonna start making the sugar syrup. So I add 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. I didn't mention this in the video, but I squeeze half a lime into the water. We're going to bring it to a boil until it's lightly thickened. And I pour that mixture into a water bottle because I couldn't find any other time. And of course, we're going to let our oil heat it up. And here we are, ready for deep frying. Let it fry up to a nice crisp until it's nicely cooked. And yes, we're gonna flip it over and everything, and that's about it. And we're gonna place that into the sugar syrup that we made. Please don't mind my jalebi, it doesn't come out wrong with the basket. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.